Round 1. Chain 1. Chain 66. Wow, that's a long chain. Double crochet increase in the third chain from hook. This is where our flower starts to bloom. Double crochet, picot, 20 times. These are our first layer of petals. Double crochet, chain 4, slip stitch in first chain, 20 times. Look at those lovely loops. Double crochet, chain 5, slip stitch in first chain, 20 times. Our flower is really coming to life now. Double crochet increase, half double crochet, chain 1, fasten off, and we're done. Round 1. Chain 1. Chain 30. This will be the backbone of our leaf. Add wire. This gives our leaf some structure. Single crochet in second chain from hook. 2 half double crochets. "23 double crochets. We're building up the body of our leaf. Two half double crochets. Single crochet, chain, single crochet. This forms our leaf tip. Two half double crochets. "23 double crochets. Two half double crochets. Single crochet. Slip stitch to join. Time for the grand flower parade. Give your flower a sturdy backbone by adding the stem. Now, let's wrap it up. Cozy that flower around the stem and keep wrapping till the end. It's like giving your flower a warm, yarn hug. Let's green it up. Keep wrapping that stem. It's getting a cozy yarn sweater. When the moment feels right, add those lovely leaves. Every flower needs its green buddies. The finishing touch. Wrap all the way down to the stem's end. We're in the home stretch. Dab some glue at the bottom. This flower's not going anywhere. Ta-da! Flower power activated. Step back and admire your handiwork. You've just created a forever blooming masterpiece.